Hello, hello. Gregory Scott here, and today we have another video. We're in my car right now, but we're going to play basketball. Last video, I bought the basketball. Now, I have to open it, put air in the basketball, and then we can go play. So that's what I'll do now. Listen, watch, and understand. Listen, watch, and understand. Okay, basketball. I have to open. So here's the basketball, but it needs air. So I have air pump. I have the air pump. Okay? I have to open it. Open. Here's the air pump. And here's the needle. The needle. Usually needles are sharp. But this is a needle for an air pump. So the needle, it attaches to the air pump, and now we can pump. So the needle goes inside the basketball. The needle goes inside the basketball. Here's the hole. The needle goes in the basketball. And now we pump. Now the air is going inside the basketball. Pump. It feels better, but it needs more air. More. Good. Now, I'll take the needle out, put the pump away, remove this sticker, and we're ready. Let's go play basketball.